Amen, Pastor. Build healthy friendships. And your friends must not only be the people you are studying with and your classmates only. It means your budget is the same. Your financial capacity is the same. Your thinking capacity is the same. Everything about you is the same. You will never take each other anywhere. You see that gang that you are keeping? That 2 people or 3 or even 5 or even 10 people that you are studying with in the same school, in the same class. When you are confronted with a situation that is beyond your thinking capacity, you are already defeated. Are we together, Pastor? Choose your friends wisely. Manage relationships wisely. Some relationship, the person doesn't have to be your friend. It can be a mentor. It can be someone who's in business who just likes you. Respect that. Pastor, learn to draw lines. Yeah, learn to draw. Your spiritual father is not your friend. Yes. Don't mix up the relationships. Hey, you know, you start chatting with some people, they start respecting you and checking you, we're calling you say. After weeks of talking forward, what did we move from men of God to forward to? I mean, I'm telling you, Pastor, there are things you can get from forward that can't get from the men of God. After this part, I'm so careful as to how do people treat the grace upon my life. I'm careful. If I realize that you're not seeing what I think you're supposed to be seeing, I quickly give you what you think you must have. You know, there are people I say to them, I don't know, when I know very well. I'm telling you, I say to them, I don't know. Sometimes I don't have what they want. I know someone who has what they want. But how they perceive me, I'm worried. I can't refer you to someone I honor, and you don't honor me. Hey, manage relationships well.